Hello, friends. Well, my cameraman's asleep again. While he's resting, I'll show you what surprises are waiting on my desk. Here they are, boxes from the DJI Avata and the new DJI Avata 2. Look here, the main heroes of today's video. Boxes of drones and controllers, DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 and its previous version. Let's start with unboxing the DJI Avata 2. The box is sleek, as always with DJI. Let's see what's inside. First, we take out a white box, and then the drone, carefully packed. Here's the new Avata 2 kit. Notice how it's more minimalist compared to the first generation. The contents list is on the screen. The drone is out of its packaging. My first impression is that it's significantly lighter. It's a pleasure to hold. Let's weigh it. The new Avata 2, with its battery, is 392 grams. That's 30 grams lighter than the first version. The camera has also changed. The new lens is larger, and nighttime footage quality is amazing. Let's test it in action. Night shots from the DJI Avata 2 are truly impressive. Here's how the first version performs. The difference is clear, especially in low light. Now let's compare them side by side. Avata 2 is slightly bigger, lighter, and honestly, much more modern. And that's just the physical differences. Time to launch. First, the Avata 2. Its sound is softer and more pleasant. Now, Avata 1. Well, you get it. The sound is definitely annoying. Moving on to the Goggles 3. The first thing you notice is the built-in battery. No more dangling wires. Convenient. And the external view camera is a great addition. The goggles feel great in hand. However, the padding doesn't fit the face perfectly, leading to some light leaks. Hopefully, this gets fixed in future versions. Let's compare them to the old model. The new version is lighter, more advanced, but still has room for improvement. Now, let's take a look at the motion controller. It's lighter, more compact, and just as comfortable to hold. A perfect choice for beginners. Weighing it now. The new motion controller is 116 grams compared to 170 for the old version. Minimalism rules. Here's a nice bonus. DJI stickers. It reminds me of Apple back in the day. Also, spare props, cables, and a few mysterious parts to figure out. Finally, the controllers. The DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 is 130 grams lighter, but the lack of an antenna is debatable. The signal now runs through the goggles, which might be tricky in critical situations. However, the design is more ergonomic, which most users will appreciate. Before your first flight, you need to activate the DJI Avata 2. Connect the goggles to your smartphone using the DJI Fly app. After logging in, register the device and check for firmware updates. This usually takes just a few minutes. Updates often include the latest improvements for stability and new features. Next, pair the controller and ensure all devices are connected. The setup process is simple, with the app providing step-by-step guidance. Then, choose your control mode. Standard for beginners, Sport for speed, or manual, acro, for full control. If you're new to manual mode, the new Easy Acro feature helps you learn faster by gradually giving you more freedom. The app also offers built-in tutorials to better understand the drone's capabilities. Now, let's talk about the updated pull-down menu in the DJI Avata 2 goggles. It's now more functional and user-friendly. Easy Acro, a special mode that helps you master manual control while reducing the risk of mistakes. Wi-Fi streaming allows you to stream the goggles feed to your phone, perfect for sharing flights with friends or monitoring footage externally. Faster access to recording modes and camera settings. Fan control to prevent goggles from overheating in hot conditions. These features make flying the drone more convenient and enjoyable, letting you focus on capturing stunning footage and experiencing the thrill of flight. Let's set up smooth flights for indoor shooting. Go to Control, then select Motion Control. In the window, choose Gain Tuning and set the speed to 0.5 meters per second in normal mode. This makes the drone's movement softer and more precise. If you don't need these settings anymore, just press Reset at the bottom of the menu. It's a great setup for cinematic shots and precise maneuvers. The bottom menu in the goggles. 3 now offers several new video settings. You can adjust the recording quality and choose the video format. One of the interesting new features is support for 4K at 100 frames per second, allowing you to capture sharper and smoother footage. If you already have the DJI Avata one, you probably don't need to rush to spend another $1,500 on the new model. Sure, it's cool, but the advantages of the new Avata 2 aren't huge enough to justify throwing away that much money. However, if you don't have one yet and are looking for something new, then Avata 2 is definitely worth it. The improved stability, new features, and upgraded camera make it an excellent choice for those new to FPV or looking to upgrade their drone. Overall, it's a great toy that will definitely provide plenty of thrills. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss future videos. And as always, let's wrap up with a little magic from the DJI Avata 2. A huge thank you to everyone for your support on the channel. Every like, comment, and subscription inspires us to keep creating exciting content. Stay tuned, there's so much more to come. See you in the next video. Bye for now.